Alright, what's up guys? So today I just made 1.6k trading NQ before 10 a.m. Not even in 5-10 minutes. Here, I'll show you guys a clip. So
Let's
yeah, pretty
go.
easy trade. I took it off a gap and yeah, pretty easy. So I made 1k on top step on my 50k combine. And on take profit I made 625. So I'll show the trade breakdown today. And hopefully by the end of Friday I should have my take profit passed. I only need 2 more days. So yeah, here guys, we need to be careful. At first I marked this up, then I noticed that this was the high, so be careful. We had news at 10 today, so yeah, just keep that in mind. Go on the 4 hour. So 1 hour we marked everything up, sessions. 4 hour we look for gap. I seen this gap right there. Now it's a bit tricky because this doesn't exist yet, so let's put it like that. Now you may wonder, why did I mark this one? At the time this candle was all the way here, so this gap wasn't valid, so I didn't mark it. And why did I mark this one? Like I said, we only take today or previous day's gap, not gap from Friday or whatever. From there we just slide it over to make it cleaner. And then we look for any 1 hour gaps if there is any. So this is 10, 9. Let's make it like that. If you have difficulty trying to find them, you can just zoom in like that and then look for any. So as we can see, this 4 hour one, we didn't adjust it yet or nothing. We already see that we got some rejection, so this is valid. Like I said, we still need to confirm on the 5 minute, but in general. Now I've seen this one right there, this gap, and I've seen this gap. So you guys, this is the gap that I had my setup on. Why this gap? As we can see already, at 11, 12, at 12 we rejected, at 6 we rejected, and everything else too. So this was a very valid gap. Harder to see, but if you just zoom in, or I mean, you can still see it. You see the wicks rejecting. Anyway, and as we can see right there, so we on the 5 minute. Like I said, we adjust the gaps if needed. So the 1 hour the gaps, we can leave them, and we can just add the 5 minute gaps that we see. If you want, you can just type like 1 hour, 5 minute, and everything else. Okay, this gap on the 1 hour was already confirmed, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And this 4 hour one too, so we're just gonna leave it like that. So from there, we look for trades. As we can see on the 5 minute, it's clear. We have rejection, but on the 1 hour it was clear. So my trade was this right there, 9:30. We confirmed the zone. By 9:35, I first entered on my Top Step account, my 50k, then logged out, typed my password. Price was already like halfway there, so I entered like that, as you guys saw in the clip. And yeah, from there I got my 122. Yeah, 5 minutes later, 9:40, right there. And yeah, just aiming 122. Very easy. Now let's say you guys didn't mark this gap. This 1 hour gap right there was very obvious. And as we can see, so this is the 1 hour, this is the 5 minute. 1 hour tapped into this gap, then rejected. From there, honestly, once it rejected, from there you can take it. It's very, I mean, your stop loss is wide enough since it rejected, but I wouldn't take it like that. I would wait for another retracement. So This next candle, onset came pretty close, taps into this zone, just take it. So I'm gonna remove this 5-minute. From there we had our second setup right there, but like I said, I took my main one, so I didn't care, and right there was the second one. Now, did we have any others? Let's see. Maybe this one too. So we already know that this zone is confirmed. If you guys took it again, 10.05 profit, very risky. But I'm not gonna talk into this. Like I said, the first setup is the best, because how can I say that, guys? Like I said into my previous videos, first setup is the best. If you miss it, the odds of a nice setup happening again is less likely. So this gap was the main setup for today. Then as we can see later on, nothing went good. And as I said into my last sorry. Like I said into my last video yesterday, so let's remove this. If you guys didn't check it out, you need to check it out if you're using my strategy. Look at that, guys. So I said everything below or above the sessions we don't take. Look at that. If you guys thought this is a rejection, so this line is confirmed, no. If you took the trade, you gotta have stopped out like yesterday. So this is a no-go. If you guys didn't check the video, go check it. It's just minor improvement, and from there the strategy is working perfectly. So yeah, pretty nice day. So today we were Tuesday. I still need 2 more days to pass my take profit and top step. I don't care, I'll just take it slow. I'm not focused on that too much. But yeah, that was basically it for today. See you guys tomorrow.